Tough day in the markets for me personally. We had news dropping at 8:45 and at 9 o'clock today. Have some allergies, feeling a little sleepy, etc. Ended up trying to take a trade off of the news. I saw the divergence setup that I like to take. Ended up being a red trade. So let's go and dive into the recap. Good morning, happy 1st of March. It's hump day, Wednesday. All right. Well, it's morning for me. Let's go ahead and dive into what we got on the table for news. 8:45 manufacturing PMI, 9 o'clock ISM. Gonna be hopefully pretty juicy. We'll see. All right, so pre-market, let's go ahead and talk about it. Little push up, got into yesterday's value area high, and then rejected it pretty nicely down to the downside. That's what it looks like on the daily. Look at this little perfect little trend line to the downside. You know, if I drew lines, I'd draw a line right there. Got some buyers. Well, I'm still curious to see how the start of the month happens, honestly. Feels like realistically we probably pop all of this at 68, but see what happens. 68, it's got a 30 block. Let me see if I can get a little stab in here at 80 or so, or it just melts immediately without me. Nice. And there's the news, the big boy news. Look at this spread. Honestly, this is the very first big boy news that I've seen on Sierra charts. Yeah, the Dom's handling it very well compared to Tradeify. That's the overnight lows getting swept as well. Big slaps. 45 seconds left on this candle. I'm gonna go and take the long here. It's kind of the divergence I was wanting to see. I'm gonna keep it pretty tight, but that's the kind of new low that I want to see with the price holding up, or with Delta holding up. Would like to see us push 12K here, push into value area low, or even just a untested wick, something like that. But might roll over. I mean, for sure, trying to catch a knife here in a way. Not doing it yet. Just giving it a half second longer, really. Want to see if we can respond or not. Got a 100 block at 69. Partially pulled that, but about to go 20 points down here. Not juiced on that. Giving it a half second because we still like don't have the same sellers on Delta. I would want to be long right now. I'd want to be getting long at like the 65 level if I wasn't already in a position. Personally, personal preference. I really like that divergence. That's what I would want to see. Because I'm seeing it unfold. I'm still going to hold on to this trade for right now because I do like this from a setup perspective. I'm just 10 points off, 15 points off. We got 130 sitting at 74.5. New lows are tough though to cope here. I got to get out there. I'm not going to ride this down any more than I need to. I really like this setup. Who knows how much farther we go before we actually Delta could catch up here at any point, you know? So I think I took $500, 25 points down there. It's not ideal. Hurts the account, obviously. It's tough because I do want to see us push here, but I'm going to call it a day here. I'm not interested in trading anymore on this account.